In 5 games, Kobe made fewer than 40% of his shots.
The right knock from a 3-1 deficit and beating the Lakers in the first round.
I can only imagine what's going on in that competitive heart of his right now. It looks like the Suns are playing 6-on-5 right now, like they've got an extra player.
The Suns eliminate the Los Angeles Lakers.
Celtics embarrassing the Lakers.
Losing the clincher by an embarrassing and NBA record 39 points.
He's got to be so frustrated. The guys that have helped him so much in this series aren't here today for him.
The Lakers are NBA champions once again. LA wins the 2009 NBA title.